Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable push notifications for message reminders on LinkedIn using your PC, following the latest update. If you want to make sure you never miss an important message, these steps will help you set up notifications quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon, which is your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of options. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the ways LinkedIn keeps you updated about your account activity. Now, scroll through the notifications categories until you find Messaging. Click on it to open the Messaging notifications settings. Here, you'll see several options for how you receive notifications about your messages. Look for the toggle labeled Allow Messaging Notifications and make sure it's switched on. This will allow LinkedIn to send you notifications about new messages. Next, find the section called Message Reminders. Click on it, and you'll see the option to enable push notifications specifically for message reminders. Turn on the toggle for push notifications. This ensures you'll get real-time pop-up alerts on your desktop whenever you have a message reminder waiting. And that's it. With these settings enabled, LinkedIn will notify you instantly about message reminders, so you can stay on top of your professional conversations without missing a beat. If you ever want to adjust your notifications in the future, just return to the Notifications section in your settings and make any changes you need. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to manage your LinkedIn messages more efficiently than ever.